You have a dripping faucet or leaky pipe that needs to be fixed. A small leak can quickly lead to significant water damage if not repaired. It also leads to unnecessary additional charges on your water bill. If you have a leak in one of your faucets or pipes, you need an experienced local plumber to inspect the entire area and identify the exact source of the leak. We're the experienced local plumber that you can trust. We're fully licensed and insured, and we specialize in providing fast and reliable service to our clients. So whether you have a dripping faucet, a leaky pipe, or any other plumbing issue, get quality service from a local plumbing contractor you can trust. Contact us today.